In this video, I'm going to check out the Whitestone Dome Glass for the Galaxy S9. This is going to show you what it's like to install as a first-time user and how well the glass performs, as well as if it works with cases. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you, and this right here is my Galaxy S9, and today we're going to install the Whitestone Dome Glass. Now on my Galaxy Note 8, I never actually installed a screen protector, and I definitely learned my lesson because I ended up with many scratches on the front of the screen. A few of them are pretty deep, so today I want to show you what it's like to install this and how easy it is and what things you may need to know. Now this is my first time installing a screen protector, so you guys can see how easy or complicated it ends up being. So let's unbox this real quick. So inside the box you do have the UV LED lamp that is included to cure the screen. Here you have instructions. It comes with a micro USB cord to power the UV light. And then here you have a bunch of adhesive, some sticker remover, and then the tray that you will need to place the phone on and the screen protector. And then here you have the adhesive that you will use in the installation. And then here we have the screen protector. So right there, so everything is included that you will need to install this. The very first step is I'm going to lay out all of my pieces, and then I'm going to prop up the UV light and plug it in with the micro USB cable so that it is ready to go. The next step is I actually watched the installation video. You can find the QR code there. And I watched that a few times, but I also watched Jimmy's Promo's video a few times as he did an excellent job in teaching how to install this. So now that I've done that, I'm ready to begin. One item that the installation video recommends is that you make sure that your place that you are installing this is level. So here, I think it did a really good job in this level application. Very simple. It looks leveled. The second step is I'm going to use these wipes to wipe off the screen. So these are the alcohol wipes, and then I'm going to wipe in one direction. I'm going to power off my phone first so that I don't see any of the always on display or anything looking like a speck of dust. So here I'm going to first wipe off the phone, very good, in one direction with the alcohol strips. And then I'll use the included microfiber cloth to wipe this down again. Then I'm going to place it here in the dock. And up here at the top, this is where I have the earpiece. And then down here, you'll see that this rocks. That's so the adhesive can move down. And so make sure that the earpiece is over here. And then this is the bottom. The next step is I'm going to use these dust remover stickers to remove any extra dust. So I'm just going to look through at a different angle and see if the light can show me any extra dust that's on the screen. Next, I'm going to use the speaker guard and place this over the earpiece so that no adhesive will enter into the earpiece. So I'm going to use the microfiber cloth to place that down. Okay, there I did a final check and removed any dust with the sticker. Now I'm going to put the top cover on, and then this allows you to add the adhesive onto the screen. So I'm going to slide that right in. And then here I'm going to open up the adhesive and screw that in. And then once you're ready to place the adhesive on, I'm going to unscrew the top. Once I open the adhesive, I'm going to wait 30 seconds for it to all unload. Then I'm going to remove the adhesive. I'm going to place the drop pin in, and then I am ready to peel the back off of the screen protector. I'm going to place this down at the bottom. And there you see it is resting on the drop pin. Now we're ready to set the display. So I'm going to press down on the bottom, and then once this reaches the middle of the arrows, I'm going to pull the pin so that the screen rests down. Now that I'm ready, I'm going to push down on the bottom and pull the pin. Now I'm going to wait for 60 seconds for the adhesive to spread throughout the screen. You can see it slowly move until it has reached the edges. All right, it's been a minute and it has filled the entire glass screen protector. So now I'm going to use the UV light and place it on the middle and go from edge to edge for about 15 seconds. If it did not adhere properly, you will need to remove it before you do the UV light. I'm now going to use another alcohol wipe and rub the edges of the screen to clean it off. This will help you remove any residue that the adhesive has left. Looking at the screen protector, it did an excellent job around the edges and there's no peeling. There may be a slight part right here, but there's no lip or anything that can be pulled up. So very impressed with that. So now we're going to do the final curing where I'm going to leave this on the phone at the top for 60 seconds and then the bottom for 60 seconds. And there you have it. Installing this for the first time was relatively easy. Just make sure that you watch those videos a few times before you attempt to install. There you can see it's very clean and did a great job. So the other glass screen protector that I used, it actually popped off as soon as I put on a case. So I'm going to try some of the cases that I reviewed the other day and see if this has any issues with those. So here we're going to start off with the UAG case. Now popping this in, very easy to do. And there is plenty of room around the glass and nothing, no pilling up or anything. It is definitely adhered to my phone very well. So there's the UAG case, very easy to get on and off, just like that. Now no effects on the screen protector itself. Next here, let's try the spec case. And there is plenty of room on that edge when I put that in where it does not actually hit the screen protector itself. Here we have Samsung's Clearview cover. Plenty of room there between the glass screen protector and the cover. Here we have Tech 21. No problems there at all. And here we have the OtterBox. So once we put on the rubber insert, it looks like it butts up right around the edge of the screen protector, even slightly covering it a bit, so that might help in making sure dust and things don't get up on the screen protector. And there you go, that fit no problem as well. So I'm actually very happy with this Whitestone Dome Glass. Pretty easy install. I give it a 4 out of 5 on the easiness. Just review again and again how to install it before you do. That made the process so much easier. And I'm very happy with the way that it looks. It almost looks like I'm not even using a screen protector at all. There was still some leftover adhesive on the outside edge of the screen protector, so I have gone through and used the extra alcohol wipe to remove that one more time. With the Dome Glass, I experienced no decrease in touch sensitivity, so I was able to easily pull down the notification bar and go through the phone without any problems, even pulling out the edge screen, and everything worked great. If you have any further questions about the Whitestone Dome Glass, please leave a comment below. And if you've tried out this glass before, let me know what you think and help others decide if this is the glass to get or not. I'll also leave a link to the glass in the description below. And if this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe so that you can be notified of my new and upcoming videos, as I'm going to teach you everything that you can do about your Galaxy S9. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.